Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to achieve this simple yet easy text animation. I really love how it turned out as my video looked more professional. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is go to the media generator, click all and then choose text. Drag it all the way to your timeline. Type in your text as you like. The next step is to import the typing sound from your file. Go to the file, choose import and click media. Now you need to find the file that you have saved earlier. Open that file. Then drag the typing sound from the project media. As you notice the indication of the sound wave, click Alt and M at the same time to mark the typing sound. After that, go to the text box and click the event pen crop. Click enable for the mask and choose a rectangle mask tool. Create a rectangle beside the text. And then drag the title box to fit in the first marked area. Copy the text box and paste. Adjust our second text box to fit in the second marked area. Right click and go to the event pen crop. Drag the existing rectangular until the first letter is visible. Again, copy the text box and repeat the steps until all letters are visible. There you have it. Enjoy editing your video. Good luck!